wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Kalisa Putri. I am School of SMP Negeri 9 Marusu. I will reading new flooding in the Maros region. Maros has been hit by weather, causing flooding and heavy rain to flood the Maros area. Natural phenomena and geographic phenomena have occurred in several regions of Indonesia, and what we see often are flood and landslides in several areas. Precisely in Maros, heavy rain of high intensity occurred since Sunday 11 February 2023. The rain occurred until tomorrow and was evenly distributed throughout the Maros district. As a result of the unrelenting rains resulting in flooding everywhere, for example, resident area highways, offices, business school, warehousing, and even market. Water level from 10 cm, severe traffic jam also occurred at several points on highways such as the Maros Axis Road to Makassar, the Ekis Road to Sultan Hasanuddin Airport, and the Poros Road to other area. The congestion that occurs in unmitigated because it reaches 10 km, not to mention the large number of cars and motorcycles that die or break down due to the fact that the vehicle is inundated by flooding. The current flood is one of the worst floods that occurred in Maros Agency, so that several schools is shut and apparel for online learning in the network. This is because many students cannot access the main road to get to school because of the high water level that closed the route. There have been no reported victims in this flood incident, but the material losses were quite late, which had to be borne by the community. And that's the news. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.